Semi-gun automatic tablet counting and filling line. Semi-gun automatic tablet counting and filling line. Disc-type bottle collector. Vertical round bottle labeling machine. Desktop automatic capping machine. Automatic rotary table type electronic grain counter. Disc-type bottle feeder. Bottle feed. Bottles enter the bottle collector through the feed opening to ensure continuous supply. Full gun automatic electronic counting machine. Belongs to the full automatic type counting device with reasonable design and compact structure. The cylinder bottle holder ensures precise tightening of various bottle caps. The height gun adjustable mechanism allows effortless positioning. This labeling machine is suitable for full or semi-gun rotation labeling of various round containers that can stand stop-line and can operate either online or standalone. Bottle collection. Bottles enter the collector through the feed port to ensure complete collection.